knowledge of coronavirus channel cordially reach you and everyone. This is America Today item of channel. Today is July 21, 2020. We share with you the story entitled The Paradox of the Current Situation of COVID-19 in the U.S. The evolution of the current status of COVID-19 development and spread in the United States exists a paradox that explains. New cases have hit record levels in many states across the United States in recent days. The United States is still the country most affected by the epidemic, with 3,957,024 cases and 143,723 deaths. Looking at the Florida State Committee, only on July 12, 15,300 new cases were reported in Florida, the highest number of cases per day in any state in the United States. Experts say the Florida figure officially broke the sad record of 12,274 cases in a single day in New York State on April 4. Last Saturday, Florida reported more than 9,500 new cases, up from nearly 9,000 on Friday, the previous record number. But strangely, despite the recent rise in the number of new infections, many Florida people are still not worried about COVID-19 or do not even support the simple act of wearing a mask to avoid infection. The actual situation has always put pressure on hospitals, resulting in a shortage of medical treatments and raising concerns about the speed of removal of Florida restrictions. And it is all conceivable, because not only Florida, many people across the United States are still awake before the sight of death. Recently, a 30-year-old male in Texas, southern United States, died of COVID-19 after attending a COVID-19 party organized by an infected person. This person thought that the pandemic was just a trick, but later admitted to having made a mistake in the final moon. In fact, the number of new infections is increasing across 37 of the 50 states in the U.S., from hot spots with worsening circumstances in the South and West to hot spots emerging in the Midwest. The restrictive measures applied to business activities, crowded gatherings, and the problem of wearing masks have always caused a lot of debate and have not had a consistent view. Because America is a land of freedom and democracy, any imposition can be counterreactive. Even officials within the administration of U.S. President Donald Trump are still transmitting conflicting messages, especially on whether schools.
When Education Minister Betsy DeVos wants schools to reopen 5 days a week, Assistant Health and Human Services Assistant Brett Giroir warned it was too early to make it safe. Inside the White House, tensions between President Trump and Dr. Anthony Fauci, the leading infectious disease expert in the United States, increasingly contrast the claims. When the advice of officials in the Trump administration conflicts with the advice of doctors and scientists, the American public became more confused and divided. So where is the truth? What do the paradoxes that exist in the treatment of the COVID-19 disease in the United States say? While Florida and many southern states of the United States saw new cases soar, New York City, New York State, and many other places in the northeastern United States witnessed the opposite. In addition to the record of no deaths, on July 12, New York City has begun the third phase of the opening plan, allowing nail salons, massage parlors to resume operation. This marks the end of 4 months of death since New York City recorded its first death on March 11. A day earlier, across the state of New York, the number of hospitalizations recorded was less than 800 for the first time since March 18. According to many New Yorkers, this is due to the good work of testing, encouraging people to wear masks in public places, maintaining social distance, and above all their self-protection sense. Is it true that the paradoxes that exist in the United States of conflict of ideas are the motivation for Americans to eliminate passive consciousness and create a breakthrough in adversity? We wait and see if America is great or America will return, but President Trump said it or not. The section of America Today is here to end. We wish you always good health and good luck. Sincerely, thank and greetings. Knowledge of Coronavirus Channel.